which is our berry, and that is berry plus. And the same composition we are having the pro berry. So I'm telling berry plus, but all you remember we are going to talk about the pro berries. First of all, what is the difference between the pro berries and berries? If you have a pen, paper, you can note down it. Berry plus, it was 850 ml bottle, okay? Pro-berry we are launching with a 1000 ml, 1 liter. Now concentration of pro-berry is much more higher than this. Is absolutely fine. Great, thank you. Absolutely fine. Now concentration of pro-berry is much more higher than berry plus. So what we are giving you in the berry plus, the very high amount of ORAC value. I will tell about the ORAC value. What is ORAC value? Means oxygen radical absorbance capacity. With this we calculate the power of the antioxidant against free radicals. Now per 100 ml pro-berry ORAC value, per 100 ml pro-berry ORAC value is 1,27,100. 1,27,100. It means for 1 liter how much it will be? 10,27,000 ORAC value per bottle of pro-berry. This is the highest in the industry. This is highest ORAC value in the industry, but we are not still satisfied because we are coming with a product named Sano. All you know?
Yes.
Sano means health. Sano ORAC value will be around 12 lakh. So we are launching pro-berry. It's a different kind of a product. Different indication will be there for that product. But berry plus pro-berry, now we are coming with a 1 lakh ORAC value per 100 ml. 1,27,100 ORAC value per 100 ml. Now friends, we will first discuss about the what is this pro-berry, what is this berry plus. The same composition, we are having the 174 berries, mangosteen, acerola cherry extract and sea buckthorn. The same composition with a much more better thickness in the pro-berry. We must understand, we must know about the what is the power of antioxidant. This is very important. How many of you know what is this antioxidant and what is this free radicals? Anybody? Because we'll have interaction. This not should be a theater. One person acting there and all other person seeing and clapping. No, it's not like that. We have to interact. Otherwise, learning is very difficult for that because we have to be interactive session. And you know, in the direct selling business, my guru always used to say, more learn, more earn. So, in this business, you have to learn a little bit. So, can anybody tell what is this antioxidant and what is this free radical? I will explain. Yes, sir. Because my job is adding something extra. You know what is the job of trainer? Not teaching anybody. Trainer never teaches. Trainer fine-tune the people. Okay, so I have not come here to teach something new. I am coming here to fine-tune. Like all you have seen the FM radio. FM radio, if you are not matching the right numbers, like 98.3 FM, you are not matching the right numbers, there is a sound will come. Sound will come now, isn't it? So sound will come. So my job is the matching the FM number. So I am just fine-tuning the number. The free radicals. Basically it's an negative ion of oxygen. And sir is rightly pointed, it is highly reactive. Because it's a bachelor boy. And what bachelor boy does? Highly reactive. So it's like a bachelor boy, no partner. So it's like a bachelor boy roaming here and there, standing in front of the girls' college, here to the girls' hostel, styling his hairstyle, motorcycle very fine. He is doing something reactive, always reactive. If that boy's parents are intelligent, what they will do? Arrange a girl for that boy. So that's the same thing we are doing it here. So this bachelor boy is a free radical. The negative ion of oxygen is highly reactive and damaging our almost all cells. It is a natural process in our body. Free radicals will come naturally. It will not like that it's something extraordinary thing you're developing in your body. It's a natural thing. But due to pollution, due to radiation, due to sunlight, due to poor diet, due to stress, due to tension, due to physical condition, these free radicals increase significantly, and that we call oxidative stress. What do you say? Oxidative stress. So this free radicals is basically creating the oxidative stress, And that oxidative stress is creating heart disease, type 2 diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer, so many lifestyle diseases. So it is very, very deadly and harmful. So it is something like that. This is a healthy cell. Husband, wife, so positive one, negative one, all together is there. But this is a naughty boy having no positive ions. The free radicals means there's the only single atom is there. And he always wants a positive ion for it. So he's trying to scavenge this ion, healthy cell, and they damage the healthy cell. And because of that damaging of healthy cell, we are getting a lot of diseases, and those who are the lifestyle diseases. And what happened? Antioxidant, what is doing? He is eager to donate his or her daughter to this bachelor boy. So carrying the positive ion and giving to the free radicals and neutralize the thing. So it is something happening like that. A bachelor boy is having a lot of things he is doing, he is disturbing some of the people going for a partner. Then the intelligent parents giving the good called the like Manipur matrimony system. They came with a lot of pictures for that bachelor boy. The suitable that boy got the suitable girl. Now what is happening? Once upon a time the boy was driving the motorcycle alone, changing the hairstyle, good fashionable dress. Now this boy is driving a car, maybe Maruti 800, wife is sitting next to her and back is kids. Now the same way he is going, see both sides the girls college, ladies hostel there, but the wife told don't see all the here and there. So this is the function of the antioxidant here, very simple manner. He is basically controlling and neutralizing the free radicals. Now free radicals are the very naughty kind of thing. Some boys are very stable. You know, parents are telling them they are taking the parents' words. Same thing happened with the free radicals. Some free radicals are gentle. So if you give the normal kind of antioxidant like lemon water, you know, ascorbic acid, lemon is a very, very excellent antioxidant. So if you are taking only the lemon water, you are controlling the free radicals. But some of the free radicals are deadly. Like as I'm giving you the example, you have given the clothes in your balcony, and some person is took out the clothes and ran away. So you also ran behind him or her, and you got the clothes back. What you will do? Go to the police? No, because you got your things back. But if somebody breaks your door, if somebody shows you weapons, if somebody tries to kill you, so levels are high. When the levels are high, your police department is also sending the higher people, isn't it? Yes. And ultimately you get the person like a dog. 11 countries police, Interpol is searching for him. And they are the very, very powerful, strong kind of criminal. And this kind of strong kind of criminals are like superoxides. And who is basically responsible for our aging process? Creating the cancers, creating the diseases, lifestyle diseases. And these berries, specifically which we are going to tell you today, they can handle the superoxides. They are not the nominal. So some people may ask you, sir, what happened? You can take the selenium, you can take some of the normal green tea, also a good antioxidant. So why you will take the product like Proberry or Berry Plus? Proberry and Berry Plus can handle the top level of villains, this top level of free radicals, those who are really damaging to your body. Clear, everybody? Yes. So when the thief quality is higher, you are giving the higher quality pieces also. Yeah. Same thing is here. So you are also having the better quality of antioxidant. So this is the berry is one of the highest amount of antioxidant. So now because of the ultraviolet ray, ionized radiation, because when your mobile phone, air pollution, inflammation, white blood cells, smoking, metabolic function, all of this creating your DNA damage, and this is the radicals effect. Again the picture. This is antioxidant, and this is basically your free radicals. There is a one unpaired electron. He is damaging your body. So job of this free antioxidant to share one paired electron, unpaired electron to positive ion, and helping them to revitalize and neutralize the cell. Now the berries. Friends, berries are one of the most powerful antioxidant available in the world. Some of us, you questioned me, some of the people questioned me, sir, in India, this is the 174 berries. India, 174 berries are not available. How come you are making this product? We are not at all taking all these berries from Indian market. Because the most important berry which is available in this product, acai berry, which basically available in the Brazil, next to the rainforest, especially in the rainforest near to the Amazon River. Both sides of Amazon River there is a rainforest, and acai berry is the product from rainforest. And out of 174 berries, in fact, almost 90% berries we are importing from the international market. So berries all are not from this Indian market. Maybe few berries Indian available like strawberry, raspberry, gooseberry, mulberry, blueberry. These are the berries available in India, but we are giving you the international quality product. So now, these berries are especially for the different families like strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, blueberry. Some are from the Rosaceae, means rose family, Ariaceae family, some are from the Rubiaceae family. So different family having all kinds of berries are there, and berries are the most important antioxidant for all of you. You can understand how powerful berries are. Acai berry is the highest amount of antioxidant are there. So acai berry providing you the per 100 ml, it is 1 lakh and ORAC value is there. Then gooseberry, cranberry, blueberry, they are all at the very high ORAC values. Now what is this ORAC value? Or you can write down this thing, those who are not understanding about this ORAC value, what I am talking. ORAC value is basically oxygen radical absorbance capacity. Now, this is a company. First of all, remember this is the name of a company. Who is doing this kind of job and who is basically measuring the antioxidant, anti-radical controlling capacity or antioxidant capacity of any kind of fruits, vegetables, anything. So, ORAC value of the all things has been highly recognized and certified. That all products are having this kind of ORAC value. So, our product is also certified by the ORAC. And you can get the certification also copy, we can provide you the copy also, because as we have discussed to the manufacturer to provide us the ORAC value copy, so we can show the copy to your customer that our product, especially ProBerry, having a 1,27,000 ORAC value per 100 ml. So full bottle ORAC value content is 10,27,000. This is highest in the industry that we can provide you. So this is our berries, and all berries are very powerful with the ORAC values and very powerful antioxidants. Little bit about the berries like acai berry, boost the skin health, stimulate the healthy digestion, it improve your digestion. Then blueberry, very good antioxidant also. Especially it is reducing your belly fat. Belly fat. So some of people saying that, sir, if I want to lose the weight, so can we take the berry group? We always say yes, you can take the berry group. You can also reduce the weight with these berries. Okay. So some of you are taking the berries, so you can get lost weight also with this. So berries is having a wonderful power for the losing weight. We are having a raspberry. Volume to the raspberry, there are very good flavor. A lot of ice creams are there with the raspberry flavor. Cranberry. There are a lot of berries are there like blackberry. Gooseberry is nothing but amla. Gooseberry, there is a two type of berry. Pronunciation wise, both are berries. There is a gooseberry and that is gooseberry, which is available in the international market. The bilberry, now mangosteen. All you remember, this mangosteen is not a berry. It's a kind of a fruit. It is available in India also, especially in the Himachal and Uttarakhand. We will not tell you 174 berries because then we need a full day to tell about 174 berries. Okay, we will tell about the main berries which is available here. And then the acerola cherry. This is the cherry we are getting the highest amount of vitamin C. The another name of acerola cherry is Barbados cherry. Barbados, you know, it's in West Indies. It's an island. There we get a cherry. This is having the highest amount of vitamin C. And next, second highest is, you know, which product? Amla. So number one is Barbados cherry and second is amla. So it's the highest amount of vitamin C is there. And vitamin C is a very powerful antioxidant and very good for skin also. So cold, flu, all these cases vitamin C is used. So this is acerola cherry, ProBerry, because the concentration we have been changed. So first of all, it is very high profile antioxidant with very high ORAC value. What is the ORAC value of ProBerry? Just now I tell you. 1,27,000 per 100 ml. So 1 liter, it is 10,27,000. This is highest in the industry. So we have to promote this. Because there is a product coming from a company called iPulse. I know, like Ilas Biva. I think that ORAC value, they are selling the product in our is how much? With a lower price. Our is around 10 lakhs. So it's one, and we so anybody asks for the certification also, we can provide the certification. We ask for the ORAC certification, so you will get it. So if anybody want to people say, challenge you, you are telling 10 lakhs ORAC value, show me, so we will provide you the ORAC value, copy of the ORAC value certification. So that we will get. So now, may keep the DNA intact, because the free radical, the most important damage is DNA damage. And if it is DNA damage is there, it is not only you're damaging this generation, you're damaging your next generation also. Because DNA carries the genetic traits. So DNA intact, prevent the cellular damage. It will prevent your cellular damage. It will keep your cell intact. Good for the heart. And I'm telling all of you, any person having a heart problem, blood pressure, this kind of issues are there, you must provide the berries and omega combination. This is very good for heart, because antioxidant is always good for the heart, and berries are very good for heart to protect your heart. And this is a cardioprotective product, means it protects your heart. Immunity booster. Berries is a wonderful, because when you are giving antioxidant, it will boost up your immunity, because your metabolism will increase. Prevent UTI. Because of the high amount of antioxidant and vitamin C concentration, it will also reduce the chances of urinary tract infection. So, especially a person having UTI, especially ladies sometimes gets the problem of UTI, it will give the protection and improve the system. So, it will prevent the UTI infections. Lower the risk of diabetes. Most of the people ask me, sir, can we give the berry to the diabetic patient? 100% you can give the diabetic patient. Because diabetes, the problem of with the insulin is with glucose. So that we say glucose intolerance, we say diabetes on the glycemic control, all those things related with the glucose, because this sugar, this glucose is the main problem with the insulin. So if the glucose level increase in your body, that creates the diabetes. But with the fructose and different kind of carbohydrate which is not the glucose, there actually it is not creating that much of problem. That metabolizes in a different manner. So friends, I am telling all of you, because it is a very good for the diabetic patient also. Improve the insulin sensitivity and also increase the production of insulin. Keep healthy of the cholesterol level, because of the higher amount of antioxidant, and then along with the improving the heart, so it is also works on the cholesterol level, so it will reduce the, I will not say reduce, I will say balance the LDL and VLDL level. LDL and VLDL level is the harmful. Low density lipoprotein and very low density lipoprotein. But making the balance of LDL, VLDL with HDL, that is very important. HDL is good cholesterol, high density lipoprotein. So it is making the balance of LDL, VLDL with LDL level, VLDL, HDL level, sorry. HDL level. So these are the good cholesterol, they are making the balance. So this is very good for that, and also improves the metabolism. And whenever improve the metabolism, you increase the energy production. Now few things I will tell, I always tell the people, I mean whenever I will take the training program in the berries, people say, sir, some of the demo you can show. So I don't believe in the demos, those that is coming in the YouTube, like jumping on somebody's head, or the melting the thermocol. These are all, I will say, nonsense thing, because it is happening outside in your body. So there's not same thing happening inside your body. So the important thing, how you will see the product is effective. I'm telling you all of you, suppose if you are convinced with the berry, take to the 1 bottle of berry. And when you are taking 1 bottle of berry, go outside and take a selfie. Take the berry for a good month, once a day only, 30 ml once a day. Don't take twice daily also, 30 ml once a day. And after 1 month, you come to the same hotels, same time, and take your selfie. And see, compare both selfies, your skin quality, your glow on the face, it will increase significantly. This is the first thing. Now to demo, it is on the metabolism. Now what's about the metabolism? Why are you talking about metabolism? Metabolism means it is increasing your energy level, making more energy. So every person here, we are sitting, we have a cut-off line in a day. Means morning 10 o'clock to 6 o'clock, maybe 7 o'clock we are working, and when we are going back to our home, suppose your son comes with a mathematics topic. Papa, show me the mathematics, how to do. Papa says, no, I'm very tired. Wife told, let's go for the marketing. We have to purchase some household thing. No, you go, I will not go. Take my credit card, take my debit card, but I will not. Things are there, you have a cut-off line in your day. When you start taking the berry, you can understand the one finest thing with this, that your cut-off line will increase.
Oh.
So this effective 4 hours you can spend with your family effectively. Tell somebody, feel. Don't say me, but feel. If you go to home after 6 o'clock, initially your wife to see you as a tired man. And if you reach your home and you tell your wife, let's go for a movie. Let's go for a marketing. How she will feel? Means your cut-off line is increasing. So when you are taking the berries like thing, your energy cut-off line is increasing. Now this kind of thing you have to tell to your people also.
Yes.
Because otherwise people are not understanding what the benefit they are getting. Because there is nowhere it has been written that when you are taking berry you will be 2 inches taller. Or you will lose your weight, you do something, but it will clear cut, it will increase your energy level. So effectively you can see your energy level increasing. Effectively you can see your skin quality is increasing. You have an anti-aging effect also because berry is a very good and powerful anti-aging product. So in that manner, when you will explain to your people that how it is working, your product will sell more. Clear?
Yes.
So this kind of thing, innovation, this kind of applications you have to do, and these are the greatest demonstration of wellness product. How is the product now?
Good.
And then I am telling all of you, I think you have not got the Proberry. Now when you get the Proberry, taste it. I am more tastier than Berry Plus. There is a one word in Hindi, it's called Fida. You know, in Hindi one word Fida. Everywhere I have given this Berry Plus. Because yesterday also there was a team from Mumbai, they came and I offered them Proberry, little bit of testing, like one shot. And they were fida about the product because this is one of the most tastiest product we have ever taken. So it's a unique product, highly tested product, thickness is very high. So the quality, it's like an executive grade product. It's a high profile executive grade product. General product will give the feel good effect. The provider products are good. And then when you sell your wellness product, when you focus on the wellness product, it will give you pride. This will give you pride. And I am telling last 30 years I am in this pharmaceutical industry and wellness industry, but last 11 years I am on the wellness industry. I always feel pride about this wellness industry. I feel proud about this because this is the industry will not only give you the business, people will come to your home, shake your hand and say you thank you. Yes. So focus on the wellness. So this is our very product. If you are taking single product, it is 30 ml twice daily. But if you are taking multiple product, then only 30 ml once a day, half an hour before food, exactly you can take along with the water, you can take directly. Okay? And then children below 12 years, pregnant lady, lactating mother is not recommended. But berries are good for the pregnant lady. I'm telling all of you, but we have studies. So with caution, you can give berry to the pregnant lady, but never to the lactating mother. Because the mother, whatever he is taking, berries is a very strong product and it will come sickness to the mother's milks also. Maybe the kid will not digest this product. So it is better to give pregnant lady, that is good for them, but not to the lactating mother. Kids below 12 years, they cannot digest the product. No study is there, so we cannot give the kid below 12 years. Now, we have increased the pack. It is now, how much? 1000 ml, 1 liter. So how is the product? Good? Big round of applause for the Berry Plus.